gamble, I'll pay the price.
What up, you guys? It's your girl Danielle Nicolle coming to you with another video. So today is all about the Colourpop Makeup by Shayla collection. Colourpop X Shayla. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, the Colourpop Shayla collection. I'm so freaking excited. I love her. Like, y'all don't understand. I love her. I live for her videos and she slays every single time. So when she said she was coming out with a collection, I was like, girl. She said she was like, go buy it. I was like, girl, yes. Okay, I will buy anything you say. Well, not anything, but anyways. So I was so excited for this collection. Like, it is bomb. The packaging is bomb. Her video for the collection is bomb. Like, everything about this is bomb. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, spoiler alert, the blendability of these shadows are amazeballs. Like, so I'm just saying. This collection, hot, y'all, hot. I'm very excited for it. I'm not gonna talk too much. You know, your girl, she gets to talking. Let me stop right here and let's get on to this video, shall we? All right, so you guys, let's get into this palette. Okay, so this is her right here. She's so pretty. She's so gorgeous. Shayla, you did your thing, girl. You did your thing. Look at the gorgeous colors, and I'll be showing y'all swatches of these, but you get 16 gorgeous colors that I think anybody with any skin tone can use every single day. So I'm excited. So we're gonna get into this. So I'm gonna start out with, I'm gonna start out with Culture. And just kind of put that all over my lid. Get my big fluffy brush. This is the S27 Morphe vegan brush, I believe. Dip that into Culture. And just, I like that pigment, okay? I'm just putting this all over my lid here. Ooh. This is very easy to blend and very nice. I'm loving it already. Like, it's just so easy to blend. It's like a dream. Can y'all see that? Let's get closer. Yes, hunty, hi. Okay. So I'm just putting that all over above my crease, kind of do that transition shade, windshield motion with the same brush, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this color right here, which is Thick. And I'm gonna put Thick a little bit lower. And she said you shouldn't have any problem with fallout as long as you are tapping off the excess. So yes, so I'm just putting it a little bit lower than where I put Culture, a little bit more into the crease. And I mean, y'all, these shadows are so freaking blendable. Like, I don't know if you saw how easy that was to put on. That was easy, bruh. Very easy, which is always a good thing, because yeah, I need easy as possible, y'all. All right, so I got that all blended, and now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush. This is like one of the brushes that comes in the Urban Decay palette. It's double-sided. I'm gonna take the smaller blending brush side there, and I'm going to be using Revenge. So I'm gonna be using Revenge because I'm gonna be building up to use Stallion. So you don't wanna go in with a darker color right away. You wanna build up. And I'm just putting that on the outer. I'm just gonna put that on the outer edge of my crease and a little bit into my crease. All right, you guys, so with the same brush, I'm going to be going into Played Out and just darkening that crease a little bit more. And it's okay if you get a little messy because I'm going to be doing a half cut crease anyway, so it's all good in the hood. I put way too much on my brush. Don't do that. You bring out it. Okay, here we go. So I'm just blending this darker color out. And y'all might not even use Stallion. Like, I might just keep this brown. I don't know. Maybe. Or maybe I'll use a little bit of Stallion. I don't know if I want to use Stallion or just keep this brown color. Like, I think I'm gonna just use Stallion. You know, F it. I'm gonna just use Stallion today. So hold on. Brush here, which is the S12 from the Vegan brush palette, and dip it into Stallion. And I'm just gonna do a little bit because I don't want to do too much. I just want to do a little bit and kind of darken it up, and I'm just kind of building up this color in here so that your girl don't do too much. Okay, so I'm basically just darkening this crease, and this Stallion color is, it's strange. It's strange for a piece of change because it's this blue, and you can see it has like shimmers in it, but it looks on the eye as if it was black, y'all. Like, so crazy. I know she said this, but I'm still in a maze. Like, this is straight up black. But it's not. I wonder if in different lights, like, does it reflect the blue colors? I don't know. Be interesting to kind of see that. All right, so now that I have this situation going on, let's cut this crease. Well, half crease, so anyways, let's go. I'm gonna be using the NYX HD concealer. Put a little on the back of my hands, and I'm just using a small flat brush to get her done. I'm using this brush right here, which is the S30 from the same collection, the Vegan collection, and using that in the back of my hand. I'm using my mirror. I don't even know if y'all want to zoom into this. Like, and one thing that I've learned is just take your time. Don't be trying to rush. Like, you just want to take your time, child. Cut that crease. Cut that crease. Alright, so there we go. There we go. Oh, I got it all over the mirror, child. Okay, get that, all of that 14. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. There we go. Yo, I feel like I've been using a lot of blue lately. I should have used the, I don't know, some other color. But I love blues and greens, so sorry y'all. Alrighty, both sides are done. Now I'm gonna use my NYX to make a winged liner. I'm gonna try to attempt this on camera. Pray for me. Let's see. And I'm just filling it in. So I always start with the outer first, do my line, and then I kind of go half in and connect it. And I just go inside. Yes. And then I go in here. And I'm going to be using, I want to use a color, so let's see. Maybe I can use the green color or the orange color. Let's use the green color. Let's use Sassy actually. It's this color right here. Since it's kind of in the middle, it's still green, but it's like a darker green and it has like this turquoise type of color to it. Lashes are on, and now I'm just gonna use my NARS Climax mascara that I got as a sample, and I kind of actually really like it. So I'm just gonna use that to kind of glue my lashes together with these falsies. And by the way, I use the Double Up Wispies from our The two of the highlighters that she has is Booming and Pose. So let me see which one I want to use, because I don't know. Let's see. Let me see, I don't know if you can see that, but the gold one is Boomin' and the champagne one is Pose. So I think for this look, just to step it up a notch, I'm gonna use Boomin'. So let's test it out. Ooh. Yes. Bring the glow. Bring the glow, y'all. Like, Lord Jesus. Ooh, ooh. I put a little too much. Got a little too carried away. It's okay. It's called blend. We'll just blend that out. Oh. Okay, that is done. Now let's get on to the lipsticks. Winter packaging is just so cute. This is gonna be Come On Sis. This pink color here. This one is Quickie. And it does not need to be explained, honey. That's that lighter color there, that light pink color. Oh, 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 oh. Try to do it like her, I don't know. I think that's how you do it. Oh, 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 oh. But it's a peachy color there. So hopefully y'all can see that. I'm gonna go for Come On Sis. I think that matches with this theme here. And I'm not gonna put any, that. I'm not gonna put any liner on just so y'all can see the color, and plus I don't know where it's at. I feel like I haven't put on a lipstick in like forever. Right, like usually you're rocking a liquid lipstick or something, like you never really put on lipstick like that anymore. Let's use her gloss to kind of tone down the color and make it juicy. So this is called a Freaknik, and it's just this nice like peachy, there we go, this nice peachy type of clear color. And I think it's just gonna show up clear on camera. So let's see. I need some product though, sis. Where's my product at? Come on, bro. Straight to face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Did I spray my face enough? Hopefully you guys like it. I am freaking loving the collection. Like, oh my god, the palette, the colors, the blendability of the eyeshadows, like everything's just bomb. Everything is bomb. Go buy it, like surreal, for reals, like go buy it. So that's gonna be enough of this makeup tutorial slash review slash first impression. So it's your girl Danielle Nicolle. Do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button if you thought this video was hot. And also don't forget to subscribe. That lets YouTube know this is the channel right here. And also please follow me on my social media channels so that you know what I'm doing, what I'm wearing, and what makeup I'm rocking. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.